terms of creating compelling corporate communications, awful phrase, and it is a cliche, which I say you shouldn't use, but you need to get back to basics. So you need to be able to distill the essence of what you do, what your company does, in a very short sentence that you could tell anyone on the street and they'd understand you. That is a lot harder than you think. I cannot tell you, when I was running my consultancy, how many meetings I sat in, endless meetings, I have nightmares about them, meetings that I sat in which were entitled, "Who are we?" And you'd get the heads of the business in, the most important person in marketing, and you spend 6 hours trying to find out who we are, and nobody knew. And my job was to help them articulate who they were. And I would come up with a few ideas and say, well, I think you're this, this, and that from an outsider's perspective, but they wouldn't like that because it was too simple, too short. People tend to prefer to overcomplicate their business to make them sound clever, and actually what you're doing is mystifying your audience, so they're just going to switch off because they're bored. If you want to get your message out there, it's got to be simple. And so once you've articulated who we are in a short sentence, not easy, then you need to come up with your values, your core messages you want to get the world to know about you. What do you want the world to know about you? Well, with this, and with that. No more than 3 to 5 at most. And once you've got your 3 or 5 messages that you want the world to know about you, that will infuse everything you do, every advert you place, every article you write, every post you put on LinkedIn will show the world, demonstrate those values. Don't just tell people all the time that you're innovative and sustainable and great, wonderful people. Show the world. There's too much telling. Demonstrate via practical, interesting examples why you're good at your job and why whoever it is, your client or potential client, should hire you.